make sure that you use sunscreen when you're using your LED lights, because if not, it's gonna get worse. Your skin will get worse. Your black spots will be more obvious. Your hyperpigmentation will be more obvious. What if I told you that the products that you're actually using are in the wrong routine? A lot of people think that the morning and the night routine should look the same, but that is like one of the biggest mistakes so many people make, and that is costing them their skin. Your skin has different needs depending on the time of day. Usually in the morning there is sun and you need a UV protection, which is your sunscreen. But so many people discard that sunscreen. They think once they use their moisturizer, they are good to go. Or maybe at night, once they use their moisturizer at night, they are good to go. And some people also think that because their color, they are dark, they don't need a sunscreen, and they don't need so many of those routines because they are dark already. Sunburn is just gonna affect the upper layer of the skin, and it's not really gonna do anything for them because they have melanin already. So let me break down morning routine and night routine and what you should be using on your skin. The first step in your morning routine should be your cleanser, a very gentle cleanser. A cleanser without actives, a cleanser with just maybe ceramide, dimeticone, something really moisturizing. Cleanse your face really well in the morning. Then the second step is your serum, which is your antioxidant serum. Usually vitamin C serum is the best bet for morning routines, but if you're allergic to vitamin C or if you have an acne prone skin, please leave the vitamin C. You can go on with your niacinamide serum, you can go on with ceramide serum, you can go on with any other serum that is not an active serum if it is not vitamin C. Vitamin C serum helps protect your skin from unnecessary damage because it has antioxidants, and antioxidants will help protect your skin. So it is the best bet if your skin is tolerant to vitamin C. The third step is your moisturizer. It keeps your skin really moisturized. And people with oily skin, please, moisturizers are good for you. I know you think that because you have oily skin, your skin is moisturized already, you do not need moisturizer, but babes, you need moisturizer for your skin. And I don't know if you guys want me to recommend the particular ones to use for you to use, but I can't really recommend because so many people have their different skin types and skin textures. So if you want the one-on-one recommendation from me, which is going to be free, please send me a DM on the number in the screen. The last one in your morning routine is your sunscreen. It is the most important step in your, even if you did not cleanse your face or do anything, make sure that you use your sunscreen. Without your sunscreen, you're exposing yourself to the rays of the sun, which can help damage your skin even more. And when the sun is always on your skin will not get the benefits it's supposed to get from other skincare products you use. So that's the importance of your sunscreen. Make sure you use it. And if you're using a sunscreen, get an expensive sunscreen that is SPF 30 and above. In fact, SPF 30, 40, and 50 is fine. All the other ones, I don't even know what they are, but 30, 40, 50. And personally, I would recommend the Black Girl sunscreen or the La Roche-Posay sunscreen. These are the two sunscreens I've used that really didn't give me any side effects or any bad reviews, especially the Black Girl sunscreen. Then at night, this is where your skin focuses on treatment instead of protection. The morning routine focuses on protection, then at night your skin focuses on treatments. The first thing you should be doing in your night routine is your double cleansing, which is your oily cleanser. This one helps remove makeup, dirt, grime, and grease from your face, and it creates a clean slate for other skincare products to penetrate and treat whatever it is it wants to treat. So you can can use any oily cleanser. You can use the Beauty of Ginseng oil cleanser or cleansing balm. You can use the Abib cleansing balm or oil cleanser. Personally, I use the Elizabeth Arden cleansing oil, which has been good for me. Yeah. Then for your second cleanse, you need another cleanser, which is a gentle cleanser. Any particular cleanser can work at this point. You can also use an active cleanser or a cleanser that has salicylic acid or benzoyl peroxide or azelaic acid. This one is, remember, it's a treatment that we're doing this night, so any active is fine. If you don't have any active, that's still fine. You can use your gentle cleanser, the one you used in the morning. After cleansing, this is where you use your skincare products that target specific concerns, like your retinoids, your tretinoin, your adapalene, your azelaic acid. Especially if you're using tretinoin, is after cleansing your face, you let your face dry. That is when you go in with your tretinoin or your retinols. Please make sure you are using it according to your doctor's prescription or according to your esthetician's prescription or dermatologist's prescription. Don't just go and get tretinoin off the counter and start using on your skin. It's gonna damage your skin. And also, avoid using multiple active at once. I know I'm seeing a lot of people talk about using tretinoin and azelaic acid in one routine. I don't advise you to do that. Please don't do that. You don't know how much your skin can take. Their skin can take it, doesn't mean your skin can take it. So just focus on just the tretinoin that you have been using, or just use azelaic acid or adapalene, the lower tretinoin. Then finally, it is time to seal in the active you use. This is when you use a very thick moisturizer. Remember, if you're using tretinoin on that night, make sure that the moisturizer you're using is not lightweight. Make sure the moisturizer is really thick to prevent you from breaking out, to reduce the penetration of the tretinoin into your skin. Because when the tretinoin keeps penetrating faster, your skin is gonna get worse. Your skin is gonna get worse. Your skin is gonna get worse. So please listen to me. Don't make these mistakes. The biggest mistake you'll ever make is using those exfoliating things every day. Your exfoliating products, you're using them every day back to back. Your tretinoin uses just 2 times a week. Then the other actives, you can be using them 3 to 4 times a week, depending on how much your skin can take and depending on the recommendation your esthetician gave you. Another mistake you're making is skipping moisturizer because you have an oily skin, or skipping the sunscreen because there is no sun. Use the sunscreen every day, whether there is sun or not. Now that I'm in front of my light, I use my sunscreen because the light is still gonna burn me if I don't use sunscreen. Like I'm talking about your LED lights. Make sure that you use sunscreen when you're using your LED lights, because if not, it's gonna get worse. Your skin will get worse. Your black spots will be more obvious. Your hyperpigmentation will be more obvious. So which routine is more important? For me, in the morning, the sunscreen is more important. Then at night, the moisturizer is more important. That is when you protect your skin. So remember, if you get so tired that you can't even do anything on your face in the morning, just put on sunscreen. Then at night, if you're so tired that when you go back, you wash your face and you're too tired to do all these things on your face, just put your moisturizer on and go to bed. You cannot kill yourself. Finally, the morning routine is all about protecting your skin. Then the night routine is more about treatment. Treatment and protection, they work hand in hand. If you're only protecting and you're not treating, you're not doing anything. And the worst thing is if you're just treating and you're not protecting, your skin is gonna get worse because you're not gonna see any positive results on your skin. So if you enjoy this type of videos from me, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe.